Keep it steady, loading the last bucket.
All clear, moving out.
Watch the edge blade down. Ensure the route is clear.
Affirmative. Clear the path for the haulage.
Hydraulic drills engaged, blast zone secured.
Keep it steady, down and to the right. Copy that, moving now. Signalman confirm. Verified, pouring commences.
Elevation checks confirmed. Set the target to 3 points. Hold steady, mark.
Keep it steady, watch the cables. Water pressure is good, check the lower pipes. Monitoring 05, reading non-readable, moving to 6. Bucket coming in, prepare to vibrate. Keep it steady, guide it in. Watch your hands, hold it there. Ready the vibrator, pouring next.
Keep the grout pressure steady on section C4.
Roger, pressure holding at 400 bar.
Crane 5, clear to lift. Formwork team, stand back. Hold it steady. Adjust slightly right. Check the alignment. Clear to set it down. Secure the bolts.
Keep it steady, guide it left.
Just a few more inches down.
Check the alignment, looks good. Verified.
Elevation is 125.75, confirming final position.
Set the wrench to maximum torque.
Clear the area under the crane. The crest alignment is perfect.
Final lift is secure, sir.
Surveys confirm connectivity.
Keep it steady. Down a little more. Okay, lowering slow. Stop. Adjust left. Just a fraction. Perfect. Hold. Bolt it down.
Keep it steady there. Just a little to the left. Readings are within tolerance.
Guide left.
Down a few more.
Check clearance on the other side.
Verified.
Verified. Lock it down. Keep it steady. Watch the alignment. Hold. Millimeter left. Affirmative. Lower. Seated. Looks good. The system is stabilizing beautifully. Governor pressures look nominal. Confirmation on the flow rates. All systems reporting proper operation. Commissioning complete.
Keep it slow and steady. Shaft looks good, minor eccentricity. Readings are stable, continue rotation. Generator 1 frequency approaching target. Engaging sync switch now. Confirmation green. We are on grid.
The readings here are stable.
Good.
Good. Let's move on to the next section.
The stress analysis looks stable.
Check the rail alignment over the main shaft.
Roger that. Moving into position now. Lubrication circuit reading is stable.
Cooling water manifolds, check out.
All right, checklist complete. Everything looks good.
The expansion joint looks good here. Checking the drainage outlet now. Potential seepage mark at level 7. Check that with the binoculars. Copy that. Wind is picking up.
The flow looks consistent here.
We've logged it.
Readings are within limits. Unreadable as usual.
The joint looks solid here. Let's get a few more angles of the seal.
Adjust it.
Adjust the angle slightly. Copy that.
Rồi, cho con lại đi sơ kiểm tra. Bên cạnh mọi sự cảnh có bên cạnh góc ngoài đây.